Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different crafts using paper cup. You are using a battery and we will attach it to the hen to make it walk like a real hen. You can see we will add an extra paper cup to it and then we will attach the battery and then you will see how the hen is walking. Next, again we have taken a paper cup, we are cutting it from between and then you can see how we will fold it, and after folding we will make a sunflower out of it. You can see how we are cutting and then we will open the cup and we will color it and make a face. Next, again we have taken a green paper cup, we are making a frog from it, then we will use a straw and we will attach it with the paper cup and then we will add eyes and the frog is ready. Now again we have taken a blue paper cup, then we will fold it and we'll cut it from the below and then we will again cut it. You can see how we are cutting it, and with this we will make a hat. You can see how beautifully we have folded it. You have to fold it in the same way and then we will attach a butterfly. Next we will make an octopus from paper cup. You have to cut it in the same way as shown in the video. Then we will make the head of the octopus and we will add a spring to it to make it little bouncy. You can see we have completed the octopus. Next, again we have taken the paper cup, we are cutting it from the different sides and we have also given a hole in between. Then we will give it a shape of a fan. After giving it the shape, then we will color it in different colors and we will use a straw to make it a fan. You can see how using the earbud and the straw to complete the fan. Next, we have taken a paper cup and a little bottle and a straw. Next, we have made an filter from paper cup. Again we are cutting the paper cup from the below and we'll fold it as shown in the video. We are cutting it from the bottom and then we will color it. You can see how we are coloring it and then we will give curl to it. Can you guess what we are making? We are making a little girl, a little cute girl from it. Again we are taking the paper cup, we are cutting it from the bottom and then we will fold it as shown in the video. We are adding the curls and then we will make a flower out of it. Now we have taken the fruit covers and we have cutted it and then we will fold it as shown in the video. To make the stem we will use paper, green paper, then we will make grass from the paper. Next, by using the paper cup, we are cutting it from the bottom part and between you have to cut in the same shape as shown in the video to make it. Then again we will give the curls. Curl will make it look more beautiful and then we will make a sun from it. You can say it is a sunflower. Then we'll make a vase on a paper and after making the vase we will use the stem. Thank you very much for watching the video.